Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an accessory that truly elevates your Garmin smartwatch experience, the Garmin Quick Release Bracelet, specifically the 22mm version. This isn't just any strap. It's designed for seamless integration and style, perfectly suited for popular models like the Forerunner 255 and 265, the versatile Venu 2 and 3, the robust Vivoctive 4, and even the iconic Legacy Hero series. What immediately stands out about this bracelet is its namesake feature, the quick-release mechanism. Gone are the days of fumbling with tiny spring bars or needing special tools. With this design, swapping out your watch band becomes an effortless, tool-free process that takes mere seconds. This means you can easily transition your watch from a hardcore workout companion to a sophisticated everyday accessory, or even a statement piece for a night out, all without any hassle. The convenience factor here is truly a game changer for anyone who likes to customize their look or adapt their watch to different activities. Now, let's talk about the aesthetics, especially for the Legacy Hero editions. This bracelet comes in some truly captivating designs, specifically the Darth Vader and First Avenger themes. For fans of Star Wars or Marvel, these aren't just watch straps. They're a way to proudly display your allegiance and personality right on your wrist. The attention to detail in these designs is impressive, capturing the essence of these beloved characters while maintaining a sleek and premium feel. Imagine sporting your Forerunner 265 with a subtle nod to the dark side, or your Venu 3 with the iconic shield motif. It adds a layer of personal expression that standard watch bands simply can't match. Beyond the looks, the quality of a Garmin accessory is generally top-notch, and this quick-release bracelet is no exception. While the specific material isn't detailed, Garmin's bracelets are known for their durability and comfort, designed to withstand daily wear and tear, whether you're hitting the gym, running a marathon, or simply going about your day. The 22mm width ensures a substantial yet comfortable fit on the wrist, providing a secure hold for your valuable smartwatch. It feels robust enough to handle active lifestyles, yet refined enough for more formal settings. Ultimately, the Garmin Quick Release Bracelet 22 is more than just a replacement strap. It's an upgrade. It offers unparalleled convenience for customization, a chance to infuse your personal style with iconic designs, and the reliable quality you expect from Garmin. For anyone looking to enhance their Forerunner, Venu, Vivoctive, or Legacy Hero watch, this quick-release bracelet is an excellent choice that combines functionality with fantastic flair. It truly allows your smartwatch to reflect every facet of your life and personality.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.